Hey everybody, welcome to our channel where we explore the little things that make a big difference in our lives. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wished you had a magic wand to fix your relationships? Maybe it was a heated argument with a loved one or a misunderstanding with a friend that left you feeling hurt and confused. Well, guess what? You don't need a wand, just 3 little words. These words are simple yet incredibly powerful. They can transform your interactions and bring harmony back into your relationships. These words are like magic for communication. Imagine being able to diffuse tension and create understanding with just a few syllables. Always know that it's not about what you say, but how you say it. And these words can make all the difference when said with empathy. They can stop arguments before they start. Picture this: you're in the middle of a disagreement, and instead of letting it escalate, you use these words to show empathy and understanding. Suddenly, the mood shifts and you're both on the same page. They can bring you closer to the people you love, whether it's with your partner, family, or friends. These words can help you build stronger, more meaningful connections. Curious to know what these magic words are? Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal them and show you how to use them effectively in your daily life. You won't want to miss this. The magic phrase is, "Let me understand." See, simple, right? But powerful. When you say "let me understand," you're telling the other person you're listening. You're not just waiting for your turn to talk. You're trying to see things from their perspective. Imagine this: a couple is arguing about being late for dinner. Instead of blaming each other, one says, "Let me understand." They talk it out calmly. The result? No more fight, just a happy couple enjoying their meal. Experts agree.
Relationship gurus and therapists all agree. Listening is key.
Let me understand shows you're truly listening.
It's like magic for building trust and connection.
Don't just take my word for it. Ask the experts. Communication comedy.
Let's be honest, sometimes communication is hilarious. We all have those moments when words just don't come out right, and the results are pure comedy gold.
Lie bad. Like that time I tried to explain something really simple, but it came out all wrong.
Remember that time I tried to assemble furniture with instructions in another language? It was like trying to decode an ancient manuscript.
Yeah, that was a disaster. We ended up with a table that looked more like modern art than furniture.
But imagine if I had just said, "Let me understand," to those instructions. Maybe we could have avoided the whole mess.
We all have these moments. Miscommunications can lead to some of the funniest and most memorable experiences.
The key is to laugh and learn. Embrace the humor in these situations and use them as opportunities to improve your communication skills.
Exactly. It's all about finding the joy in the chaos. Those moments of miscommunication can bring us closer together and create lasting bonds.
So next time you find yourself in a communication mishap, just remember to laugh it off. It's all part of the human experience.
Communication comedy is a reminder that even in our most confusing and frustrating moments, there's always room for laughter.
And who knows? Maybe those funny moments will become some of your favorite memories.
So keep communicating, keep laughing, and keep creating those unforgettable moments.
Transform your relationships. We will explore the profound impact that effective communication can have on your relationships. Whether it's with friends, family, or your significant other, the way you communicate can transform the quality of your interactions. So there you have it, folks. The secret to stronger communication: let me understand. These words can bridge gaps, heal wounds, and build stronger connections. These words make a world of difference. When you genuinely seek to understand the other person's perspective, you open the door to deeper empathy and connection. It's not just about hearing the words, but truly listening to the emotions and intentions behind them. Try it out in your relationships. Start by practicing active listening. This means giving your full attention, making eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. Show that you value what the other person is saying. You'll be amazed by the positive changes. As you make an effort to understand and be understood, you'll notice a shift in the dynamics of your relationships. conflicts will be easier to resolve, and your bonds will grow stronger. Remember, communication is key, and listening is magic. By prioritizing understanding and empathy, you can transform your relationships into sources of joy, support, and mutual respect. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch the magic unfold. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.